Chapter 19. Great Speeches. Famous Speeches and Their Impact. Martin Luther King Jr., I Have a Dream. Martin Luther King Jr. was a civil rights leader in the USA. In his famous speech, he dreamed of a world where people are treated equally. He wanted a country where people are judged by their character, not skin color. This speech inspired millions to fight for justice and equality. His speech was delivered in 1963 during the March on Washington. He spoke about his hope for a united and fair America. His words continue to inspire movements for racial equality worldwide. Ronald Reagan, Berlin Wall Speech. Ronald Reagan was the President of the United States. In 1987, he spoke in Berlin, Germany, about freedom. He asked Soviet leader Gorbachev to tear down the Berlin Wall. His speech became a symbol of the fight against communism. The Berlin Wall divided East and West Berlin for decades, separating families and restricting freedom. Reagan's speech pressured the Soviet Union to bring change. Just 2 years later, in 1989, the Berlin Wall finally fell. Patrick Henry, Give me liberty or give me death. Patrick Henry was an American leader during the fight for independence. In 1775, he gave a powerful speech against British rule. He said he would rather die than live without freedom. His words inspired people to fight for their rights. His speech was delivered at the Virginia Convention, where leaders debated whether to go to war. His passionate words helped convince many to support the American Revolution. Today, his speech remains a symbol of the fight for freedom. Winston Churchill, Wartime Speech. Winston Churchill was the Prime Minister of Britain during World War II. He gave this speech to honor brave soldiers and pilots. He said that a few people had done so much to protect so many. His words encouraged Britain to keep fighting during the war. The speech was given in 1940 during the Battle of Britain. It praised the Royal Air Force for defending the country against German attacks. Churchill's words boosted the morale of the British people during a difficult time. Indira Gandhi, Until My Last Breath. Indira Gandhi was India's first female Prime Minister. She dedicated her life to serving India. She said that even if she died, her blood would make India stronger. Her words showed her deep love for the country. She gave this speech before her assassination in 1984, showing her commitment to India's progress. Indira Gandhi played a key role in strengthening India's economy and defense. Her leadership and courage continue to inspire leaders today. These speeches left a lasting impact on history and continue to inspire people across the world.